Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, you're probably dealing with frustrating buffering issues on Stremio. Don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll walk through some effective solutions to get your streams running smoothly. Let's get started. First things first, let's check your internet connection. Buffering is often related to network issues. Make sure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. You can do this by running a speed test to ensure your connection is meeting the recommended speeds for streaming. If your internet speed is lower than expected, try restarting your router or modem. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve connectivity issues. Next, check if other applications or devices are using up your bandwidth. Background downloads, streaming on other devices, or heavy internet usage can cause buffering. Close any unnecessary applications or pause downloads to free up bandwidth. Sometimes buffering occurs because the streaming quality is too high for your connection to handle. Go to Stremio settings and lower the video quality. Choose a lower resolution like 720p or 480p and see if that reduces buffering. If adjusting the quality doesn't help, try clearing the app's cache and data. This can resolve performance issues that might be causing buffering. Navigate to your device's settings, find Stremio, and select Clear Cache and/or Clear Data. Keep in mind that clearing data might reset some of your settings. Make sure you're using the latest version of Stremio. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Check for updates in the app settings or visit a Stremio website to download the latest version. Sometimes buffering issues can be due to problems on the streaming server's end. If multiple users are experiencing similar issues, it might be a server-side problem. Unfortunately, there is not much you can do except to wait until the issue is resolved by the service provider. If none of the above steps work, consider reinstalling Stremio and install the app from your device and then download and install the latest version from the Stremio website or app store. This can help fix any underlying issues with the app itself. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate buffering issues on Stremio. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have any more questions or tips on your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.